So hi guys, and welcome to WWS. Just a quick short video just to tell you that tomorrow we're going to be doing a Q&A session on YouTube and Facebook Live, on any of our products. So if you want to ask questions about the Pro Grass ranges or the static grass ranges or the layering system or the modeling system or any plasters, anything like that, then please feel free. We're going to post this out now. So if you've got any questions, you can put them onto the social media threads, and Pinky and Perky behind the camera will write it down for us, and I'll do my best to answer them as best I can. Or you can do it on a live session tomorrow through the YouTube or the Facebook feeds. We'll roughly do around about 12:30, 1 o'clock. We'll post out tomorrow on social media, so stay tuned for that, exactly when it's coming. Other than that, feel free to ask any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. On our products, okay. And incidentally, if you can hear the machines in the background, we've got a working day today. Dean's beavering away, so we might even announce a couple of new projects that are up and coming as well. Thanks for watching. Please, feel free to ask anything, like I said, and join in. All the best. Thanks so much. Bye bye.